Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. All right guys, so we finally have some spoilers for the July BoxyCharm box. Now this is going to be for the standard $21 subscription box. Now I found this on Instagram at BoxyCharm Sneak Peek. She's just really amazing at finding everything out. So she also had a video of Joe, and I don't know if it was on his Facebook or exactly where it was at. Now in this video, Joe is telling us about some masks that will be in the July box and also about a palette. So we're just going to kind of go over the spoilers and then I'm going to show you the video. So in the July box, and I'm pretty sure this is probably going to be a variation, you will get one of these two masks, either the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask or the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Mask. And he also mentions in his video about a palette. Now it is a mystery palette. We do not know which palette it's going to be. So as soon as they reveal that, I'll let you know. But a while back, Joe also mentioned that there will be an Elemis product in the box. So we do know that there will be something from Elemis also in the July box. And as soon as they reveal like the palette, the Elemis product, or anything else for that matter, I will keep you guys updated. So guys, here is Joe's video.
So what do you guys want to see first? The skincare product that's going to be in a box, which I'll tell you now it's going to be a mask. Or do you want to know the eyeshadow palette that'll be next month in a box? Let me know. Post it.
As always, BoxyCharm will be linked below if you do want to go check them out. So make sure your bell is on. That way you are notified of every single video I upload. You do not want to miss any of these spoilers. Also guys, rate the video for me if you would. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Give it a thumbs down if you didn't. That shows me exactly which videos you guys have been enjoying and which ones I need to, kind of work on for you guys. And one more tiny favor before you guys head out. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you, and I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.